What is it? You both need plenty of vitamin B9, which is also known as folic acid. Here's why. Folic acid is essential to the production and development of new cells in your body. In particular, it's necessary to produce hemoglobin, a substance in red blood cells that transports oxygen and carbon monoxide. Because of this, a deficiency of folic acid can lead to anemia, poor growth, and weight loss. Here's why you and your pregnant friend are different. Pregnant women need up to 400 micrograms of folic acid a day, while other women require only 180 and men need 200. That's because folic acid prevents certain birth defects, and it's also vital for developing babies who have rapidly growing cells. Get folic acid from leafy veggies, broccoli, asparagus, and mushrooms. Folic acid is a water-soluble vitamin, so you need to replace your stores each day.